This chapter, we will introduce first card function. First card function is a special and useful function in access control area. Once a card is set as first card in the system, other users cannot open the door without presenting this card first. Usually, this function is used in gold stock and warehouse, where the administrator is always the first one to open the doors. Firstly, set up the door. User can find first card authentication item and read the parameter. The default setup is no need first card authentication. Now, we select first card authentication for every day. Then save it. Please go to Employee Setup. Employee and select user 1. As first card user. Select yes. With this setup every day. Other users cannot open the doors unless user 1 opens the doors first. There is no limit for number of first card user. Save the setup after finish. Finally, right-click in test1 in employee list and select Start for smart download.